it's Miss Katie, and today we're going to read Little Penguin Gets the Hiccups, and it is by Tade Bentley. Now friends, as you can see, this book is a little well-loved, and it is because it's one of my friends here at Learn As You Grow. It's their favorite. They love this book. So, I'm going to need your help. So when you hear me count to 3, then you're going to say the word boo. All right, so let's practice. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Boo! All right, you ready? Here we go. Now remember friends, we're talking about helping and caring, and our friend Penguin, he has a problem, so let's see if we can help him. Oh, hello! It's nice to meet you. Franklin said you would be here soon. I wonder if you might be able to help. You may have noticed that I have got a terrible case of the hiccups. It's driving me cuckoo. It all started last week on chilly night. I'm not sure how many penguins you know, but let me give you some advice. Never give chili to a penguin. It gives us hiccups. Oh no, friends. I can't get rid of them. Frederick told me to stand on my head. Chester told me to drink backwards from a cup. Albert told me to stand on my head while drinking backwards from a cup. Nothing works. But Franklin has given me a new idea, and I need your help. Apparently, giving someone a good scare is the surest, bestest way to cure hiccups. So I need you to scare me. But I don't really like being scared, so be nice. If you're going to say boo, then let's say it on 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Boo! Is that it? Let's try again. Louder this time. Are you ready, friends? 1, 2, 3. Boo! Pretty scary. Maybe that cured my... will I have the hiccups forever? One more time. Shout. Go crazy. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh no, friends. Do you think that was a good choice? Let's find out. No. Not again. Alright, friends. Head on back to the other video and we're going to have some more fun with Penguin and some activities. I'll see you soon. Bye.